I was surprised to learn just how packed with nutrients okra really is. But honestly, I had a hard time getting past the slime. Ew. Then I discovered that okra doesn't have to be slimy. So today, I'm sharing 8 simple tips for making delicious okra without the slime. Tip 1. Scrub each pod completely. That will activate some of the slime, and you're going to get rid of that as well as the dirt and the little hairs that are on it. Tip 2. Completely dry each pod. I'm using paper towels to do that, and you want to make sure there's no moisture on it or on the cutting board to activate the slime factor. Tip 3. Don't use egg or liquid batters, just use flour. See, flour will absorb the liquid in the okra that's cut, so we don't want to put anything in there except the flour. Use about a half cup of flour per pound of okra. Now we're going to cut the okra pods into 1/2-inch pieces. Tip 4. Use a sharp knife to give quick, clean cuts. Tip 5. Have the bowl of flour ready to receive the pieces of okra right away, so that we'll be able to absorb everything that's coming out of the okra at the time. Tip 6. Do not salt until your okra is fully cooked, because salt brings out the slime in raw okra. Tip 7. Heat the oil completely. You want that okra to cook as soon as it hits the pan. Shake off any excess flour from the okra pieces as you add it to the hot skillet and put it in a single layer. And that leads to tip 8. Do not overcrowd the pan, because if you do, the okra will start to steam and that will get it slimy. If you have a lot of okra, then you have to do it in batches so that it has plenty of room. Once the okra is completely cooked, you can add your seasonings. I like adding salt, pepper, and garlic powder. Who knew that okra could be this good? This is Lena Shea, an Iowa mom. Thanks for watching. For more ideas on quick and easy cooking, check out this Iowa Mom video.